Ben's so successful? Well, first of all, the level of depth of technology, so he has a lot of credibility.
These notes that we were taking earlier.
People like working with him. He's a good mentor. So he inspires people to do their best.
In 2009, Ben Hindman was pursuing his PhD at UC Berkeley when he and a couple of friends began developing the software that would eventually become Mesos.
Ben's role was critical. He was one of the key originators of the project, and as the times went on, he took the lead for the project, and also not only on the software development, but also making it a reality in the industry.
Apache Mesos software provides essential infrastructure, enabling applications to interact with data servers.
In the past, every machine was managed in a snowflake way, so every machine was slightly different, and you had to spend a lot of man-hours in order to manage all of these different machines.
In the past, data centers were required to purchase and run separate servers for different data services with high costs in hardware and energy consumption. Mesos enabled companies to run all their systems on the same set of servers. Twitter was one of the first adopters of Mesos software.
In the early days, Twitter was known for what they called the fail whale, because the fail whale was put up on your screen when you tried to go to Twitter and the infrastructure couldn't handle the load or it had died. And it was, it looked like it was going to kill the company unless they could solve that problem. Ben went to Twitter to help solve those problems, took his system, and that's exactly what Mesos is for.
Twitter itself probably wouldn't be what it is today without Mesos, and Mesos is mostly Ben's work.
Other companies quickly followed. Now, Mesos is used by some of the most popular applications in the world, although users may not know it.
We had about, I think, 25 new companies added in the last year to the Powered by Mesos page.
Siri, what's a nearby restaurant?
Apple's Siri's team publicly announced that Siri is powered by Mesos, and companies like Yelp, Airbnb all rely on Mesos as the core technology to run their cloud or private data centers.
So I think that's important to look at both the impact which Mesos had as a system, an artifact, and the impact it had in terms of ideas which seeded an entire industry.
The rapid success of Mesos enabled Ben to help secure the venture capital to found Mesosphere Incorporated, which provides additional features and services to the freely available Mesos software and employs more than 100 people in 2 cities.
Mesosphere has the opportunity to be one of the foundational companies, one of the most impactful and powerful and valuable companies in our computing technology space. And Ben, as really the inventor of that technology that could underlie the way most companies do computing, he could be one of the top luminaries in our industry as both a technologist and a business person.
Many people will be very happy with achieving something like Mesos in their lifetime. But I think that Ben will go beyond Mesos at some point.
Ben Hindman, the 2016 Diamond Awards recipient for early career.